What if everything you see, feel, and experience is just an illusion? Imagine living in a hologram, where the reality you know is nothing more than a cosmic projection. Could this be true? Let's unravel one of the universe's greatest mysteries. We take reality for granted. The sights, the sounds, the solid ground beneath our feet, all feel undeniably real. But what if our universe is just a hologram, a projection of information encoded on a distant surface? This isn't science fiction. It's an idea that has captivated some of the greatest minds in physics, including Albert Einstein and Stephen Hawking. It's called the holographic principle, and it's one of the most mind-bending theories in modern science. In this video, we'll explore the mysteries of the holographic universe, how this theory emerged, and what it could mean for our understanding of reality. Hold on tight, because we're diving deep into the very fabric of existence. For centuries, humanity has tried to understand the true nature of reality. From the early philosophers to quantum physicists, one question persists: what is the universe made of, and how does it work? Our traditional understanding of space and time has been challenged by discoveries in quantum mechanics and general relativity. These fields have revealed a universe that is far stranger and more complex than we ever imagined. But here's the twist: some scientists now believe that our three-dimensional universe, including time itself, might be a projection of information stored on a two-dimensional surface. In other words, our entire reality could be a hologram. This idea raises profound questions. How can something so vast and intricate be encoded on a flat surface? And if we are living in a hologram, what does that say about free will, consciousness, and the nature of existence? The idea of a holographic universe comes from a surprising place: black holes. In the 1970s, Stephen Hawking discovered that black holes emit radiation, which led to a paradox. If black holes eventually disappear, what happens to the information about the objects that fell into them? This paradox baffled scientists for decades until the holographic principle emerged as a potential solution. It suggests that all the information contained within a black hole's three-dimensional volume is encoded on its two-dimensional surface, like a hologram. This breakthrough didn't just apply to black holes. Physicists like Leonard Susskind proposed that the entire universe could work the same way, with everything we experience being a projection of information stored at the boundaries of the cosmos. But is there evidence to support this idea? Quantum physics offers some intriguing clues. For instance, experiments on entanglement, where particles remain connected over vast distances, suggest that the universe might be fundamentally made of information, not matter. Additionally, researchers studying the cosmic microwave background radiation, the faint glow left over from the Big Bang, have found patterns that hint at the universe being a hologram. These patterns align with predictions made by the holographic principle. The mathematics behind the holographic universe is stunning. In theoretical models, the three-dimensional universe we observe emerges naturally from two-dimensional data. This aligns with something called the ADS/CFT correspondence, a principle in string theory that demonstrates how space and time can arise from lower-dimensional physics. Think of it like this: a hologram on your credit card looks 3D, but it's actually created from a flat, two-dimensional surface. The universe, in theory, could work the same way, with all of reality being a grand cosmic illusion. If the universe is a hologram, where does that leave our sense of self? Could consciousness itself be part of this projection? Some scientists argue that our minds could act as interpreters of the hologram, constructing the reality we perceive. This idea aligns with ancient philosophies that suggest reality is an illusion, shaped by perception. And what about free will? If we are living in a hologram, are our actions predetermined by the information encoded in this projection? These questions touch on profound philosophical and ethical issues. Are we the authors of our fate, or are we characters in a cosmic program? The answers remain elusive, but they push us to rethink everything we know about existence. Here's the most exciting part: scientists are actively testing the holographic universe theory. Advanced experiments, like those conducted at Fermilab, are searching for evidence of holographic noise, a subtle distortion that could reveal the pixel-like nature of spacetime itself. If these experiments succeed, they could prove that our universe is a hologram, rewriting the rules of physics and philosophy. Imagine the impact on humanity, knowing that our reality is fundamentally different from what we've always believed. So, are we living in a hologram? While we don't have a definitive answer, the evidence is mounting, and the questions it raises are more profound than ever. The holographic principle challenges us to see the universe not just as a collection of stars and galaxies, but as a vast, interconnected web of information. It reminds us that reality is far more mysterious and far more fascinating than we can imagine. What do you think? Are we living in a hologram, or is this just another wild theory? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more explorations into the mysteries of the universe. Until next time, stay curious.